God is saying to you today, you have to know Jesus for yourself, and that's the thing. Neither your parents nor your church can help you get to know God. Charity actions are not determined by your upbringing. Your saving grace is not it. Is not your participation in the community. Forgiveness comes only through trust in Jesus Christ. Type Amen if you believe in God.